Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Hope you all are fine. Once again, welcome to all my dear students. I am your science teacher Sayyida Juwairiya Rahman and we are talking about the human body. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain why bones break and also you will be able to describe how we can keep our bones and muscles strong. Dear students, in the previous lectures, we talked about the muscular and skeletal system and you learned that your bones are very important part of your skeletal system. You know your bones are very strong but they can break. Let me tell you the reasons. As you know, your muscles attach with your bones and because of them your bones move. So when your muscles become weak, your bones can easily break. Number 2, at joints two bones meet with each other, so any fault in joints can break your bones. Number 3, bones can break or fracture because of sudden injury. Number 4, bones become weak as people grow older. They start to feel pain while walking or standing. So we can say that bones can bend or break easily in older people just like your grandparents. Now we will see how we can keep our bones strong. My dear students, you can keep your muscles and bones strong by number 1, eating right kinds of foods. For example, by eating calcium rich foods like milk, cheese and yogurt. Number 2, by eating lots of vegetables. They will give strength to your bones very quickly. Number 3, you can keep your muscles and bones strong by doing plenty of exercise. So this was all about for today. Now the time for your homework. What you have to do, make a list of calcium rich foods other than milk, yogurt or cheese and also add them in your daily meal. And not forget to send your homework in your class WhatsApp group or you can send it at this given Gmail ID. If you have any question related to this video, you can contact me anytime through this Gmail. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.